welcome back to my channel. I'm Nina. If you're new here, please subscribe and join the family. It's actually been quite a while since I've been on YouTube. No tea, I've obviously just been busy working, and also my camera was a bit weird the last time I used it, hence why I haven't actually uploaded my birthday videos. There was something wrong with my camera, but it's working now, so I'm going to try. I might upload the videos that obviously are from May when I turned 23, but I don't know, you might still want to see the videos, so I might post them. I'll see if the clips are still on the camera, but it was acting really weird, my camera. So yeah, I'll try get them up. If you just want to see them, they'll be there, but they will be old videos. But I've got it back working. I think I need to get a new camera anyway. So any recommendations on good cameras, let me know. I was thinking maybe the G7X. I don't know, I think it's Mark II, Mark III now even. To be honest, I'm not quite sure. I'm not really a tech whiz, but I need to get a new camera. But yeah, hope everyone is okay. I hope you are doing well. If you have any video requests you want me to do, I might try vlogging more. Just because I think it's a bit more personal and you can get to know me a bit more than just hauls and videos and stuff like that. But yeah, let me know what you want to see and I can do it. But yeah, it's always nice to just have a little break, reevaluate on what you want to do with your life. I'm at that stage where I'm like, what do I want to do? Do I want to do this? Do I want to do that? You know, when you just need to take a step back and fix yourself. But yeah, I'm back. I'm back. In today's video, I'm doing an unboxing review type video. Like most of my videos, I have loads of reviews and unboxings. Today I'm working with a brand called JOYEEBAGS. I've previously worked with them before. They're a brilliant company. Always message me back super fast, and the shipping was maybe like two weeks, a week or two. Quite quick, to be honest. Today I have a bag in here. So this box here. Came last night, I was out for a few drinks with my mates, and walking past, saw I had to post, and I was like, ooh, it's arrived. So I thought I'd film it today for you guys. Same brand. I don't know, I think this is probably one of my favorites. I'll just show you in here. But yeah, came in this beautiful box, little small box. Any guesses what it is? Any guess on the color? Obviously I opened it last night, had a little look. So it did come well packaged. I've just taken some of the wrappings off because I really wanted to have a look at it, because I was so excited to get it, and I just can't leave it in the box and not open it and not look at it. But yeah, comes in this little dust bag. Oh my god, I just saw 444. I keep seeing angel numbers everywhere. I don't know about anyone else, but I'm quite a spiritual person and I believe in all like that type of stuff. But just saw 444. But yeah, sorry, I'm seeing mad numbers like all day, every day, all the time. So good things are coming. Don't mind me, guys, don't mind me. That's just another part of me you haven't probably met yet. But yeah, it comes in this little cute dust bag. Look how small it is. But yeah, I'm happy it comes in the dust bag, because when you're traveling, it's handy to pack them in the dust bag, or if you leave them in your wardrobe, you know, just so that they don't get scuffed and stuff. But yeah, it's always nice that you get the dust bag with it. Unless you like to display your bags, fair enough, but at least you have the choice. Okay, ooh, sneak peek. I didn't unwrap it all because, anyway. It's so cute. Okay, just please take a moment. Let me just take this piece off. But yeah, it's very well wrapped and protected, which is really good and I appreciate. Let me just take all the wrapping off. But yeah, just so you know that they do actually properly wrap everything, like every little detail is wrapped. And in the back, you get one of these. I feel like you get these in most of them. Oh my god. Can we just take a moment? Take a moment. Thumbnail. Let's just take a moment. I got the smaller size this time. If you watch my previous ones, I do have a black one is slightly bigger. I might just show you for comparison. It's from the same company. So it's from the same company. So for size reference, this one is bigger and this one is a little bit smaller. And I want to get the even smaller one because gang, look at them. They're so cute. But yeah, it's that black one is also from JOYEEBAGS. Just for size reference there, this is the smaller one. This is a lovely like turquoise, bluey green. Because it's not, I don't know, I'd say this is blue and then people would be like, it's green, blah, blah, blah. But it's like turquoise. It's like, you know me, my favorite color is blue. Any range of blue is my favorite color. Can we take a moment and appreciate? So it's like the snake skin, same as the black one. It's like the snake skin. Is it snake skin? Crocodile skin? Crocodile print? Crocodile print? Probably. Snake print? I don't know. Some leather print. Anyway. And it's got the gold detailings on this one. So it has the little gold bits there and gold bead there. And then obviously when you open it up, it's also well packaged in the inside. And you get a little strap. So let's take the strap off because I want to see, it's so cute. So yeah, it's very well wrapped, very well protected. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I'm in love with this colour. I think it just goes nice with my blonde hair. I did get my hair done, guys. I don't know if you can tell. I feel like if I'd be on now, I'll get my hair done. My regrowth will probably be down to here. But if you didn't notice, I did get my hair done like a few weeks ago now, to be fair. But yeah, here is the gorgeous turquoise strap. This gorgeous turquoise strap with it also has the gold detailing. And obviously this is the same print. Also, a quick disclaimer, if you're not into these type of videos, you don't have to watch. I'm just showing you what you can get and what is available out there if you don't want to spend that coin. If you want to save that coin, then here's where it's at. I've got other stuff to pay for in life. And you can get this and it looks just as good, even better maybe, like, because I don't even know if they do this colour, but it's gorgeous, absolutely stunning. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this strap on. Don't see no shade. Oh, beautiful. The hardware is like nice heavy metal, a lovely gold colour. I really want to wear this on holiday. I need to book a holiday. Any suggestions on where to go? Let me know. I went to Spain last year. I might just go to Spain again, but oh please, it's so cute. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let me just take that little plastic piece off. So this is the inside. Has the gold lining there. It's quite still spacious for the size of it, and then also in the back has like a little slit in the back, so if you want to put your card holder, money, cards, whichever. I'm just gonna see, does my phone fit in it? Might do, might not. I mean, my phone is the 12 Pro, I think. Will she fit? Okay, she fits. Okay, my phone does fit. iPhone 12 Pro Max fits. If it was any bigger phone, probably not, but she just about fits. And there's still room. Do you wanna dance, baby? And there's still loads of room for keys, AirPods, lipstick, whatever else you might need. But I'm happy she fits. Even though usually when I go out I kind of hold my phone, tend to hold it because I'm always on it. But so cute. I'm absolutely obsessed with the colour. I can't wait to just take her out. Take her on her first little road trip. She's so cute. But yeah, I just think it's a gorgeous colour. And I love the I love that it's textured. Because they do obviously like the smooth prints, different colours, different sizes. Like I said, I have the black one, which is slightly bigger in comparison. This is the smaller size. I want to get the mini one, but I don't know what you can even fit in the mini one. Maybe a lipstick, maybe a credit card holder, but that's probably about it. But yeah, it's just so cute. I need to fix the settings on this camera. I've really done something to my camera. I think it's on its last legs, but I mean, let's just appreciate the bag. She's so cute. But yeah, thank you to JOYEEBAGS for collaborating with me in this video. I will leave all their links down below in the description box. So like their Instagram, WhatsApp, email, anything you need to contact them on. They respond pretty quick. I messaged them on Instagram, but you can message them on whichever, or you can just get it straight off the website. So I will leave all that link down below. I will also leave down my other videos if you want the black bag. That one is also stunning, goes with everything because it's all black, it's triple black. This one has gold hardware. But yeah, thank you to JOYEEBAGS for collaborating with me. I am obsessed with the bag, it is gorgeous. As you all know, I love blue, and that's my first blue bag. Don't know how, don't know why. I don't have a blue bag already, but that's my first blue bag. Just hit me that, dude. Because it's summertime. I love all the bright colours for summer, so perfect timing. I need to book a holiday so I can bring the bag because it's so cute. But yeah, someone take me on holiday. Apply down below. If you know, you know. But yeah, if you'd like more review videos, unboxing videos, please let me know. I can always do more. I always enjoy doing these because I always see videos like this on TikTok of people doing like DHK in different brands and other brands, and like other influencers I watch on YouTube always doing like stuff like this. So if you enjoy them, please let me know, or if you have any recommendations of things you want me to do. Obviously I'm in a completely new city, there's so much more I can do here, but I'm still only getting grips of the area, and I've just been working, basically eat, sleep, work, repeat. But yeah, I really want to try to get back into all this again. I need to get a new camera. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I always appreciate your support. I've had a few messages from people while I had a little break, and yeah, I really appreciate it, and I will be back. But yeah, I appreciate you all, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.